In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner of it to launch it in floating window view. Now you need to click on this line at the top of your window. Click on this icon over here and tap on a second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and hit home button, or swipe both in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!